Hey guys, this is Alexis, Sophia Leather. Real quick, I want to make a short video to get your input on what I'm thinking. Of course, the AC is going to come on now when I'm filming, no big deal. But long story short, I have all this leather, I have to go through all this inventory. And right now, I do offer the Firefighter Radio Strap Kit, all right? Let me explain to you what the kit includes. The kit includes whatever color leather you want, all right, in a full length strap, not pre-punched. The holes aren't cut. This way you can make it to the exact length that you want and modify it however you want. But as far as all the other attachment pieces, all the intricate pieces, those are already pre-cut, including the radial holster itself. That comes in there with it as well. It comes with a backing piece of leather so you can glue it together and stitch it. It also comes with all the hardware necessary. So the only thing you need to purchase would be, the only thing you need to do to this is just assemble it and stitch it, all right? So this is what I'm thinking about doing. Extending that to firefighter suspenders, right? And doing the same thing with suspenders, as well as a firefighter chin strap and a firefighter glove strap. You get everything you need minus, like I said, the stitching and the assembly, all right? You would still have to stitch, edge, glue, stamp, paint, measure, but everything is gonna be there for you. So I'm thinking about doing that, like I said, with all 4 products. I need your opinion in the comments below if I should offer that. I think I'll mow through all of this pretty quickly if I offer that. The other thing too, so I'm thinking about doing is, I know it's a little pricey. Right now, the Firefighter Radio Strap Kit is $89. I know the suspenders are gonna be probably $99. Like I said, that comes with all the leather you need and all the hardware. And it includes free shipping, so don't forget that, in the US. Free shipping in the US. So I have to come up with a price with the other 2 smaller projects. Not a big deal. But I also am probably gonna entice you to purchase this. It's a little bit of a big ticket item, I would say, spending $99 for a kit. That might be a little pricey. You can just buy a whole leather radio strap, but it's not gonna be a Sophia Leather type of strap. Anyway, so what I'm willing to do is maybe offer a discount for the first 20, 30 people or whatever. Don't know yet, but like a 20% discount or something like that, as well as including the blueprints associated with the product. So right now, as it stands, if you buy the Firefighter Radio Strap Kit, it doesn't come with the blueprint. Although the video is up on YouTube, it doesn't come with the kit. You can figure it out and put it together, it's not a big deal. However, that'd probably be wise to include that, the blueprint alongside the kit. I think that'll make it a little more enticing, a little more palatable. Something's flying around me. A little more palatable to drop that much coin. So that's all I got for you today. Let me know in the comments below if I should offer that. Long story short, in brief, should I offer the radio strap kits, all pre-punched, ready to go, whatever color you want, whatever color hardware you want. Firefighter suspenders, same thing. Chin strap and glove strap, same thing. But also include the associated blueprint with that. Let me know in the comments below if I should do that. Also, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about as far as the blueprints and stuff, look at my build along series somewhere there, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. God bless you, and I'll talk to you later. All right, bye.